Hi everyone, Steve here from theturtlefollower.com, and this is a stock trade idea in Iron Mountain. This is one that I kind of saw over the weekend, and sure enough, it ended up triggering today with the markets kind of being a little wishy-washy, up in the morning, down in the afternoon, back up in the afternoon, so all over the place. Iron Mountain was one that I was looking at, and finally it did put out a nice trigger. So let's get into the trade real quick. You could see here on the weekly chart, it was moving sideways. Finally started to break out from that sideways consolidation. Okay, it had some sideways consolidation right through the end of 2012, end of 2013, beginning of 2014. Then slowly started to put in a series of higher highs, higher lows, and is now firmly in an uptrend. It broke out over recent resistance, or I shouldn't say recent resistance, but all-time highs, let's put it that way, from back here in May of 2013. So now we know, again, on our decision time frame that we want to be long the stock, and now it's a matter of finding where we want to be long. So you could see here on the daily chart, stock has just continued to work itself higher. All right, gave us a nice little potential entry point back here on the breakout over 38.60, but really hasn't done much since then. Okay, and it just moved sideways while the trend has continued higher. So now again we're getting another confirmation of a trigger point right here on this break over 40.30. All right, and finally we had it today. So if you want to take this trade, you could take the trade, enter it tomorrow, however you feel is necessary. I usually enter at the open, and then most likely stop should be sufficient right here at 38.50. Okay, I think if it goes below 38.50, you're pretty good in saying that the trend is pretty much coming to an end, and it's really time to take off the trade. So you could see here, for some reason my 50-day moving average wasn't on, but here's the 50-day. So that area is going to coincide with the 50-day moving average, that 38.50. Another couple days of sideways to up movement, and that 50-day moving average will be above it. So I think that's a good spot to place your trade and place your stop. Before I let you go for tonight, I just want to do a quick plug for the premium membership. I launched the premium membership over the weekend. So if you want to head over to www.theturtlefollower.com, go ahead and click on members area. It'll take you to the membership sign up page. Membership sign up page looks something like this. And really the reason I developed the premium membership was to help traders, new traders, struggling traders. I was there. I was one of those people that, I had a hard time becoming profitable, and it really wasn't until I started to develop a trading system, develop a trading plan, going about trading the markets in a methodical way, in a systematic approach, that it really became a profitable trader, and it really hit home. So I wanted to take everything that I've learned and share it with you guys. If you've been following me for a while, you'll have examples of the strategy session and the weekend updates and the model portfolio. But if you haven't, I highly recommend taking advantage. I'm offering right now a 14-day free trial, and we're also running a launch sale. Okay, so that's $20 off a month for life. Okay, so as long as you stay a member, you'll receive the $20 off. You are technically a launch member. Again, a 14-day free trial. There's no long-term contract. You cancel anytime. And really what you're going to be getting is three different things. First of all, you're going to be getting the strategy session where I go over the market action every night. I put together any trades that trigger, just kind of discuss what's going on. We review our positions. The weekend update video is over the weekend. It's a little bit longer, maybe 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and that really takes a whole world of stocks, breaks it down to about 20 to 30 positions or watch list stocks, and that's what we use for our strategy sessions. Okay, so we're developing an approach. We're using that approach in each night's strategy session. And I also run the model portfolio, showing you exactly how I trade. I trade the exact same way for my personal accounts as I do for the model portfolio. So, again, if you're a struggling trader, if you're new to this, If you're just looking for maybe a different approach because what you're doing is not working, highly recommend take advantage of that 14-day free trial. Take advantage of the launch sale. You really have nothing to lose at this point, because at this point, it's less than a few commissions a month. So, and as opposed to kind of churning and burning your account, if that's what's happening, or having a loss because you don't know what you're doing, go ahead, sign up, and we'll try and hold your hand through this whole process, because it's overwhelming in the beginning. And like I said, I was there. I'm sure many of you out there are having the same issues that I had, and this whole premium membership is developed so that I can help struggling traders, new traders, anyone who needs the assistance to not make the same mistakes I made, because I already made them. Okay, so that's it for the little plug on the premium membership. Please go ahead, leave a comment below in the video. Tell me what you like, what you don't like. If you have any other kind of trade that is similar, we're kind of trying to start a discussion there. And I'll see you tomorrow for another video. All right, take care, guys.